Buy food to feed your cat.
What is that?
Sound.
Bro, that cat is fat. It's bigger than a plane, you big loaf. Bread.
I have had enough. This has gone on long enough. You just don't know when to quit. That's it, you're done it now. Finally. Time to finally get some sleep.
I have had enough.
You were fed up with Maxwell's meowing for long enough.
Window. I love window.
Clumsy. You should have gotten that fixed.
Maxwell's bowl is empty. I think I will buy his favorite food.
Huh?
Be quiet, you loaf. What's this? Stupid rat. Sniff, sniff. Fine. I will get cat food. Just be quiet and stop meowing. I think this is it. Dog food and cat food are the same, right? Let's just pick dog food. Five. Finger discount. Didn't your parents ever tell you not to steal? Alright, let's go get you checked out. You better like this. There we go. Time for Maxwell, eat it. Can't you read? Bring your glasses next time? Fine, I will buy cat food.
Money, 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 money,
Is this another house?
money.
I'm not going in there again.
What about this house? Cats love juice. I wonder if he eat it. You can't eat that out of all the things you tried to feed Maxwell that.
2 hours later.
You bad cat. I give you this, and you treat it like worst thing ever. Fine. I will buy cat food.
Money.
I can throw it away. The things I'm holding. Lol. What is the door?
Here comes the money.
You picked up basement key. Is there a bald eagle? It's beautiful. What's this? I can't move.
Ah.